हाँ व्हाट आर यू आस्किंग? पार्सल ऑफिस जाना है। हाँ सेफ्टी अरेंजमेंट्स। We have come to the Vizag railway station. I want to inquire about the luggage parcel. So I'll explain the reason in a while. Let me find a place to park the vehicle. Need a parcel office, so you have to ask someone here. This is exit क्या? पुलिस वाला पकड़ेगा, गलत काम नहीं करना। ओके, अब यहाँ पे हमको पूछना पड़ेगा पार्सल ऑफिस। अरे इनसे पूछो ना, पुलिस वाले से। हाँ वो पूछो, उतर के पूछो। हाँ व्हाट आर यू आस्किंग? पार्सल ऑफिस जाना है। हाँ अदर साइड। ओके, तो इधर अदर साइड। कहाँ से जाना? इधर से। ओके चलो, shall we put on Google or we'll be able to find our way? अरे वो तो मालूम है, प्लेटफॉर्म नंबर 8 उस तरफ जाना है यार। बैठो 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 बैठो। हाँ लगा लो, उस तरफ जाना है। तो चलो, कम से कम कुली वुली दिख रहे हैं यहाँ पे, तो उस दिन we will be sorted। पार्सल ऑफ यू हैव टू टेक आई थिंक यू टर्न आगे जाके। एक तरीका ये भी है कि यहाँ पार्क करके गाड़ी चले जाएं, बट बेटर है वहाँ लेके जाते हैं गाड़ी, है ना। आगे से यू टर्न लेके आना पड़ेगा। So the idea is that we will be back to Vizag on 22nd by 4 o'clock or so, and you have to catch a train back to Raipur around 9 o'clock, and we are planning to book our bike in the parcel so that it goes as a luggage along with us. The issue why we have come here is to find out, because we will be coming around 4 o'clock, so will there be sufficient time to pack the bike and get it ready to be put into the parcel with all our luggage and all. Will be directly coming back. So now we are in Vizag till 19th morning. 19th we will be going to Konaseema region, which is Kakinada, East Godavari and Rajahmundry. So we'll be staying for one night at Kakinada and then 2 nights at Dindi. There is a Sterling resort at Dindi. So it's beautiful backwaters of Godavari. So this seems to be the entrance. I think yesterday we came via this route. Okay, so I'll take a U-turn again here. Now which one is parcel office? You have to check out here. Parcel office. Parcel office.
Right side.
Yes. Okay. We also need to find out about the clock room availability, so we can leave some luggage. One option is that we leave it at the hotel itself, or put it in the station somewhere in the clock room. So clock room generally they don't allow without a lock, and our bag doesn't have a lock, so we need to figure out. This is gate number 4. Yeah, I'm very happy to see the coolies. So nowadays difficult to find. किधर स्ट्रेट इधर से लेगा क्या? इधर से लेना. उप्स, ये तो पार्किंग एरिया में. नो वे आउट हियर. Nicely designated gates, probably to cross the platform. People find our bike very fascinating. Bike and we as a rider, हमारे बहुत लोग ऐसे टकटकी निगाहों से देखते हैं. दे गेट इधर से. सो इधर से घुसना पड़ेगा क्या? आई थिंक उधर से घुसना. We went on the other side. So रास्ते में लोग हमारे साथ सेल्फी खिंचवाते हैं. पूछते हैं आपका YouTube चैनल है क्या? YouTube चैनल है विदाउट सब्सक्राइबर्स. कितने सब्सक्राइबर्स हैं पूछते हैं. अरे भाई अभी बनाया नया चैनल, बनेंगे सब्सक्राइबर्स. ट्राइंग टू मेक द कंटेंट. ये है पार्सल ऑफिस. यहाँ पे पार्क करना पड़ेगा. यस, होल्ड ऑन, गेट डाउन. So the good news is that packing can be done by 6 o'clock also. These guys, even packers are available here. So we will be in a comfortable state. We will be reaching here by 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, and then straight away we'll go keep our luggage somewhere in the retiring room and come and get it sorted here. So pretty good. Shobha is going to find out about the clock room. So we have again come back to the platform number 1 side to find out about the clock room. So the idea is that we will leave some of the luggage here while going to Konsima on 19th. So Shobha is going to inquire while I am standing here with the bike. So railway guy was not allowing Shobha to get inside, but she explained the scenario, so he has given a special permission. Clock room is just here, I can see it. So what I could understand on the intercom Shobha's conversation, that they charge 30 rupees for 24 hours and there is no restriction as such. I was worried about do you need a lock to keep the luggage, so there is no issue as such with that, so we are good. We'll keep our one of the bag so that our luggage is reduced. We'll come and deposit here in the clock room. And when we are back, Shobha, do you want to find out about the retiring room as well? No, there is a one good retiring room here. Okay, fine. Chalo. Cool. Executive lounge, I think you can book online also. Otherwise, we'll book it when we come here, na? Hardly you have to spend 4 hours or so. We'll be busy in. एक अच्छा कुली पकड़ लोगे, वो सब करवा देगा इंतज़ाम. चलो, सो गुड. हमारे दोनों जो प्लान्स थे, वी आर ऑन ट्रैक. नंबर लगा दे अंदर चल के.